At some point, every editor needs to quickly extend a selection in Final Cut Pro. Instead of manually clicking every clip, there's a shortcut that can save you time and effort. Shift up arrow. Let me show you how it works. After selecting a clip in the Final Cut Pro browser, to extend a selection, press Shift up arrow. This expands your selection upwards, making it easier to grab multiple clips without manually clicking each one. Another place this works is in the timeline index. Select a clip, then press Shift up arrow. Just like that, the selection extends to include the previous item in the list. If this shortcut sounds familiar, that's because the functionality matches the standard macOS behavior from other applications. So, of course, this works when editing titles to select lines of text. Shift up arrow isn't just about speed, it's also about precision. Mix it with the shift left and right arrows to make the perfect selection next time you're deep in an edit. Want to learn more Final Cut tricks? Head over to anawesomeguide.com. And if you found this helpful, let me know down in the comments.